Hello everyone, we have one Audi S3 8V from 2014 with a DTC of Misfire on cylinder 3. After a few runs with the car, checking the advanced measuring values, I discovered that the misfire on cylinder 2 is almost permanent and misfire on cylinder 4 intermittent. What I want to show you is that we have a category of intake manifold injection because this car is an European car with port injection, and we have intermittent values between cylinder 2 and 3, but also intake manifold injection on cylinder 2 is permanent. So my guess on this car is that the MPE injection failed. Most probably the MPE injector of cylinder 2 is defective, but I will replace all 4 of them and I'll come with an update about the situation of the car.